First, I'm going to start out by doing our brows using the Brow Obsession Palette in the blonde. I'm going to use the setting wax just to shape where I want the hair on my eyebrows to go, and then we'll fill it in and carve it out. Now I'm going to use a mix of these two. I'm going to start with a little bit darker and a little bit of the light just to create the line at the bottom. And we'll do the same thing at the top. And then we'll just fill it in. Then I'm going to use a concealer in the color Scarlet to help carve out the line for my eyebrows to really make them stand out. So I'm going to use this angled flat brush, and this is going to help really create that crisp line. And then we'll just blend in around it.